Welcome to this tutorial video about the MedPharmix platform, the integrated platform specifically designed for clinical pharmacists, physicians, and healthcare professionals, just like you. You see, MedPharmix represents the intersection of clinical pharmacy and innovation. It combines advanced artificial intelligence technologies and really comprehensive databases, all to help you make informed clinical decisions and, ultimately, improve patient care. Okay, so upon logging into the platform, you'll see this main interface. We've designed it to be simple and very user-friendly. You can directly enter your clinical queries right here into the central Ask a Question field. Think of this field as your main gateway, your way to access all the different tools and services on the platform. You can ask pretty much any clinical question, maybe request information about medications, or perhaps check their interactions. Now, look below the field. There are several options you can choose from depending on what you need. First up, Clinical Consult. Now, this service is dedicated to specialized clinical pharmacy consultations. Use this when you need precise answers, maybe about medications, interactions, dosing, side effects, or even evidence-based treatment protocols. It's your go-to for expert-level answers. Next, Web Search and Clinical Decision. This lets you search the web, but with a specific focus, helping you make clinical decisions. Think of using this to gather information from various online sources, all analyzed to help with those tricky therapeutic choices. Then there's Evidence Review. This one is designed specifically for searching clinical pharmacy literature. You'll use this to review the latest research and studies on a topic, and it even gives you summarized findings and an assessment of the evidence quality. Really useful. And finally, Clinical Research. Okay, this is a more advanced service. It follows a structured scientific method. When you select this, the platform actually generates an integrated research plan for you. With targeted queries and precise analyses, it searches across multiple sources, the web and academic literature, analyzes everything systematically, identifies knowledge gaps, and then presents a final synthesis with clear clinical recommendations. Use this when you need truly in-depth, structured research on a specific clinical pharmacy topic. So, to use any of these services, it's simple. Just type your query in the box. Then select the service you want just by clicking on it. The platform handles the rest, directing your query and presenting the results in the best way possible. All right, at the bottom, you'll find the MedPharmix Tools section. This offers a whole suite of other advanced tools. First, the MedPharmix Report. This tool lets you create comprehensive reports, backed by solid data and recent scientific research. It's great for documenting clinical cases and making those evidence-based decisions using advanced steps. And you can even customize the final search to fit exactly what you need. Then, MedPharmix Evidence. This gives you quick access to advanced pharmaceutical and clinical studies, complete with PICO analysis. It makes evaluating scientific evidence and applying it in your practice much, much easier. Medication Counseling Scenarios. This is handy. It helps you create patient medication counseling scenarios with just a single click, tailored to the patient's specific data and health status. Of course, there's the Drug Interaction Checker, a vital tool, really. Essential for patient safety. It identifies potential drug interactions, helping you avoid serious side effects and optimize treatment efficacy. And the High Alert Checker. This lets you check for those high alert medications, a really critical tool for protecting patients and minimizing the risk of medication errors. Okay, so that gives you a good overview of the MedPharmix platform and a quick look at the other handy tools available. Definitely stay tuned, as we'll have more tutorials covering other services and features soon. Remember, the platform is designed to be your partner, your assistant in your daily work, providing accurate, up-to-date, evidence-based information, helping you make those informed clinical decisions, and ultimately improve patient care. That's the goal. To subscribe to the platform or even just try it out, and if you have any questions at all, really anything, just drop us an email at info@medpharmix.net. We're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to supporting your professional journey with MedPharmix. MedPharmix, where clinical pharmacy meets innovation.